Hi everyone, my name is Vanessa Anderson-Smith and I want to just talk to you a little bit about the webinar for TalkTools that I'm doing on April 21st. It's called Bridging the Gap, and it's how school therapists and private practice therapists can work together and how to integrate oral placement therapy into the school setting as well as with the private practice setting. So what I'm going to be going over is how we get that collaboration done and how it works. I have my therapist Kelly here who's going to tell us in a little bit about how well it's working in the schools right now. And we're also going to go through some specific techniques and therapy tasks that we can do to facilitate the best progress in kids. Here's Kelly.
So I'm Kelly Krieger and I'm a level 2 TalkTools therapist. And I am going into the schools, into a couple of the schools right out of Sioux Falls, about 2 to 3 times a week. And so with that, I've been able to work pretty closely with the school SLPs, and so we can kind of collaborate on the program plan for each of the kids that we're seeing. So it's been really, really helpful, and I've seen a ton of progress with those kids. And I would say I see more progress in the kids that are also doing the program at school because they have so much more carryover with both myself and then the school-based SLP working on the same things. So it's really nice because we can kind of check in and modify things with their plan if we need to, kind of as we go, since I'm there so consistently. So yeah, it's been a really good thing.
Yeah, it's been really neat that our practice has been able to do this for the last couple of years. So I hope that it will just help other people around the country be able to implement more oral placement therapy into the school setting. We're going to do a little foundation as well about the theory of oral placement therapy, and then we're going to get right into some techniques that you're going to be able to use on Monday morning with your kids. So we hope to see you there.